gentlemen, boys and girls, she is finally done. The Mears Nissan Budweiser Tyco Bandit is finally finished. Installed the new motor. She got new upgrades, all modern, and some lights. And we shall see what that look like. I didn't take it outside yet because it's not dark. But let's see what this look like. Okay, so let's start with the indicator power light. Give her a new one. This one changes color. That's why I liked it. So I installed that. She got new tail lights. Okay. Got Roger Mears license plate. Budweiser Roger Mears and license plate on there. Okay. And she got some nice headlights. Like I said, I'll take her out when it gets dark. Yeah, so I can really see what she look like. And also because trying to run her indoors is insane. But I'll try to do a quick run so you can get an idea of how she is. Alright. Shit. This is not even me pushing half the throttle. If I push all the way, it's gonna go through the wall. And I will be so pissed. So I'm not even gonna do that. Alright, so this is what she look like. Oh boy. Alright. Enough of that, because I'm gonna be pissed off if I break up in here. But anyway,